The truth is, agencies don't adapt will get left behind. Hi, I'm Ellie, an ex-corporate employee turned virtual assistant who got fed up with the daily grind. I wanted more control over my time, income, and freedom. That's when Katie introduced me to affiliate marketing, and my whole perspective changed. Katie and I are on a mission to help corporate professionals and virtual assistants generate over $1,000 daily profits and passive recurring income without quitting their jobs just yet. Today, I'm showing exactly how businesses and agencies can generate leads and unlock an income stream of over $2,000 per month using an AI-powered tool that automates their business. Stick with me because this is game changer. This isn't drop shipping, it's not crypto, and it's not another complicated side hustle that takes months to figure out. It's a simple system where you give something valuable away for free and get paid. The wealthiest people don't trade time for money. They leverage automation and recurring revenue. And today, I'm showing you how to do the same. I was skeptical about affiliate marketing, thought it was too good to be true. But then Katie showed me a simple strategy where instead of selling, you just give away something valuable that people couldn't say no. Here's how it works. Funnel Freedom is an all-in-one marketing software powered by Go High Level, designed to help businesses and agencies automate lead generation, client onboarding, and daily operations. It's a game-changing tool. Katie and I use Funnel Freedom for our business, and because you automatically become an affiliate when you subscribe, you can earn up to $2,000 per month just by sharing it with others, like business owners who need an all-in-one marketing system. Before I show you how you can start earning passively, let's go through the first step, signing up for Funnel Freedom. Click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Funnel Freedom offers a 14-day free trial so you can see how it works for yourself. Enter your name and email and click continue. And check your inbox for your login credentials. Once inside, you'll see a user-friendly dashboard packed with tools to help you generate leads quickly and effortlessly. Now let's talk about automation. What if you could set up an entire lead generation system in seconds? With Funnel Freedom, you can. Click the link in the description to access the snapshot import page. Here's what you do. Enter your name and email, log into Funnel Freedom, go to settings, and copy your location ID from the business profile section. Paste that ID into the snapshot page, enter the snapshot ID code, also in the description, click import, and boom, your lead generation system is live. This funnel is designed to capture leads for agencies, complete with automated SMS and email workflows that nurture leads until they become paying clients. Here's where it gets even more exciting. On top of the software, you also get a $2,000 course for free. Freedom AI worth $97 to $297 per month for free. Your own Funnel Freedom affiliate link, coaching calls twice a week to help maximize your earnings. And that's why this opportunity is so powerful. You're not selling anything. You're giving people a high value system and a course for free. Also, don't forget to watch this, how to earn $685 in just 10 minutes without quitting your day job, showcasing how Funnel Freedom enables an additional income stream. Here's an example post. Want to learn how to make money online without selling courses? We're giving away a $2,000 course for free that teaches you exactly how. Just drop a fire icon in the comments and we'll send you access. When people comment, you DM them your affiliate link. They sign up and you start earning commissions. Funnel Freedom subscription is $97 per month per user. Your commission is 40% per sign up, which is equivalent to $38.80 per month per user. 50 users is equal to $1,940 per month in passive income. Users pay monthly, so your income keeps growing. Want to take this to the next level? Use email marketing. With Freedom AI, you can send automated emails that turn leads into commissions without writing a single word yourself. And remember, Freedom AI will soon be a separate subscription software at $97 to $297 per month. But if you sign up today, you will get it completely free. Limited time offer. If you're serious about scaling your agency or business and adding an extra income stream, this is your moment. Click the link below to sign up for Funnel Freedom now. Start using the tools that will transform your business and unlock an additional $2,000 per month revenue stream. Get Freedom AI for free before it becomes a paid subscription. You can keep grinding at your job, waiting for a raise, or you can take control. Leverage the system and start building time, location, and financial freedom. Click the link below and let's build your freedom lifestyle together, one step at a time.